Devi Siddhidatri is the ninth form of Navdurga and is worshipped on the ninth or final day of Navratri Pooja. In Sanskrit, Siddhi means perfection, and the divine goddess is revered to seek all type of Siddhi. The grace of Devi Siddhidatri can put an end to greediness and help to control and satisfy the desire of her devotees. It is also believed that Deva, Gandharva, Kinnar, Yaksh, Manav and Danav propitiated Devi Siddhidatri to accomplish their desires. Now we'll see the astrological planet related to Maa Siddhidatri. Maa Siddhidatri is said to be related to Ketu Planet, which relates to moksha or cutting away from all desires. Worshipping Maa is more suitable for reducing the dosha of planet Ketu in your Kundali. However, it is believed that Devi Siddhidatri has the power to awaken and activate all the chakras of her devotees, leading them towards spiritual growth and enlightenment. Mantra that we have to chant for worshipping Maa Siddhidatri is Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Maa Siddhidatri Rupen Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namah. I hope, friends, this Navratri you enjoyed all the 9 days of Maa.